Hi guys, let me show you how to make some creamy fruit salad. What do you need for this recipe? You need all your favorite fruits, you need some Greek yogurt, honey, and about 5 minutes of your time. So what you want to do first is to prep all your ingredients. Dice, get those ready, and then you get a large bowl. Add in your Greek yogurts, add in your honey, give that a good mix. Then you add in all the prepped fruits. So you want to give that a good mix. Make sure all the fruits is coated with the Greek yogurts. Your creamy fruit salad is ready to be enjoyed. So you can dish this in a bowl, you can dish this in a cocktail jar, whatever, and enjoy. You can refrigerate this for about 2 to 3 days and it's still going to be like nice and yummy. So I hope you get to give this a try. Follow me at Dish So Sweet for more amazing recipes, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.